Today, I'm challenging myself to pack for a week-long trip using just a carry-on bag. Let's see if I can master the art of packing like a pro. Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Are you tired of overpacking and struggling with bulky luggage? Today, we're sharing essential travel hacks that will help you pack like a pro. From space-saving techniques to organization tips, will ensure your next adventure is stress-free and enjoyable. Let's dive in. Packing for travel can make all the difference in making your trip smooth and enjoyable. When you're well prepared, you can focus on the fun stuff, like exploring new places and trying new foods. So what are the most common packing challenges we all face? One of the biggest mistakes we make is overpacking. We think we need to bring everything, just in case. But let's be real, how often do we actually use that extra sweater or those fancy shoes? Another common issue is forgetting essential items. You get to your destination and suddenly you realize you've left your charger or your favorite travel pillow behind. It's frustrating and can ruin your trip before it even starts. Then there's the struggle to fit everything into our luggage. We've all been there, sitting on our suitcase trying to squeeze in that last pair of socks. It's a real-life Tetris game, and we're not always the winners. Lastly, there's the problem of unpacking and repacking multiple times during our trip. We've all been guilty of dumping our entire suitcase onto the hotel bed, only to repack it again the next day. It's exhausting and a total waste of time. Packing efficiently is crucial for a smooth travel experience. Not only does it save you space, but it also makes navigating airports and accommodations much easier. Plus, it can save you money on baggage fees. In this video, we'll cover several packing hacks, including vacuum packing, using packing cubes, rolling clothes, and more. Let's get started. Segment 1. Vacuum packing clothes. First up, vacuum packing. This is a game changer for saving space in your luggage. Vacuum packing removes air from your clothes, allowing you to fit more into your suitcase. To vacuum pack your clothes, simply fold them neatly and place them in a vacuum-sealed bag. Use a vacuum cleaner to remove the air and seal the bag tightly. You'll be amazed at how much space you save. This method works best for bulkier items like jackets and sweaters. Just remember to keep your vacuum packing bags handy for your next trip. Segment 2. Using packing cubes. Next, let's talk about packing cubes. These handy organizers help you keep your suitcase tidy and make it easy to find what you need without rummaging through your bag. Sort your clothes by category and pack them into different cubes. For example, use one cube for tops, another for bottoms, and a smaller one for undergarments. This keeps everything organized and accessible. You can also use packing cubes to separate clean clothes from dirty ones during your trip. This way, you'll always know where everything is. Segment 3. Rolling clothes. Another great packing hack is rolling your clothes instead of folding them. Rolling not only saves space, but also helps reduce wrinkles. To roll your clothes, lay them flat, fold in the sleeves, and then roll tightly from the bottom up. This technique is perfect for t-shirts, pants, and even dresses. You can combine rolling with packing cubes for even more organization. Just roll your clothes and place them in the cubes for easy packing. Segment 4. Additional packing tips. Don't forget to utilize every inch of space in your suitcase. Stuff socks and small items inside shoes, and use the gaps between larger items for smaller accessories. Pack a foldable, reusable bag for souvenirs or extra items you may pick up during your travels. It's lightweight and can save you from overstuffing your luggage on the way back. Keep your travel essentials accessible. Items like your passport, wallet, and snacks should be in an easily reachable pocket of your carry-on for convenience. But before you start packing, create a checklist for different types of trips. Whether it's a beach vacation or a city break, having a tailored list will ensure you don't forget anything important. The ultimate packing tip that can save you the most space or time is to pack multi-purpose items. For example, bring a sarong that can be used as a blanket, a towel, or even a dress. It's lightweight, versatile, and can reduce your luggage size dramatically. I actually did this on my last trip, and it was a total game changer. I packed a small, portable laundry detergent that allowed me to wash my clothes in the hotel sink. It saved me a ton of space and time, and I didn't have to worry about running out of clean clothes. Packing like a pro is all about being strategic and intentional with what you bring. By using packing cubes, rolling your clothes, and creating a checklist, you can ensure a smoother, more enjoyable trip. In summary, mastering the art of packing like a pro is easier than you think. It's all about being mindful of what you bring, how you pack it, and having a few clever tricks up your sleeve. If you've got a favorite packing tip, be sure to share it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more travel tips and tricks, do like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.